Hey guys, what is up? So I got a comment from someone on the last video. His name was Carlos Bonilla, hope I'm pronouncing that right. And he was asking about the A7ii's low light sensitivity and just ability, generally speaking, in terms of shooting in a little bit of a lower light situation. So grabbed a buddy of mine, we went downtown and we shot some stuff. A little bit different perspective from some of the shots because it is with a 44-2 Helios lens. It's the old Soviet lens, but then we also shot a lot of stuff on the Sigma 18-35 1.8 with the MC11 Sigma adapter. So I'll put a little box on the bottom that just shows what exact settings I was shooting those scenes at, so it kind of gives you a little bit of indication on the ISO and how noisy the image is, and I'll try and zoom in and maybe show a little bit more detail for you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, so I hope you enjoy it. Alright, thanks for watching that short little video. I just threw together some fun little clips. So as you can see, the camera really did perform well. Even there was that part in the car with that little bulldog. I was pushing about 10,000 ISO. And sure, if you like zoom in and kind of dissect it, you can see a little bit of noise, and so I would feel comfortable, you know, putting it up to 10,000 and still being able to use the footage. And a lot of the shots were in 60 frames per second at the 50 megabits per second, so not the best, but I did notice when I used and shot 4K at the 100 megabits, the noise was even less. It seemed a little bit smaller, and it was just the quality was a little bit more refined. I would say you could probably go up to, you know, 12,000, 15,000 and still have a usable image to work with. If you enjoy these kind of videos, feel free to let me know in the comments below. And if there's anything else you'd like to see, just like I got the idea for this video from a comment, please leave any comments down below on what kind of things you'd like to see from the A7 III, or maybe more stuff with the Helios testing. I also have a Phantom 4 drone if you guys want to see any tutorials or any tips on that. I've been flying a drone for about 3 years now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.